For illustrators and designers, Adobe Illustrator is one of the best tools that you can have in your toolkit. And as a vector-based program, the artwork can be scaled indefinitely without losing quality. And now that it is available as an iPad app, we can create vector artwork by drawing directly on the iPad, making it fun and easy. Hi, I'm Genna Blackburn, a surface designer and illustrator in Detroit, Michigan. I like to think of my style as a playful exploration of color and shape stemming from my background in graphic design. As a licensing artist, I've had the pleasure of seeing my work on a variety of products out in the world. I have been using the desktop version of Adobe Illustrator for over 15 years and was very excited when the iPad version was released. The app is a much simpler version of the desktop program, but the ability to draw directly on the iPad with the Apple Pencil makes this a valuable resource. This class is a quick start guide to Adobe Illustrator for iPad, meaning I'll be covering the most popular tools and panels so that you can get started right away. This class is for the absolute beginner who just wants to dabble and create, as well as the professional who wants to add Illustrator for iPad to their toolkit. If you have experience with the desktop version, that will be helpful, but no prior knowledge of Adobe Illustrator is required. In this class, you'll learn the basics of the app, like how to draw with the pencil tool, how to use the repeat tool, and how to use the vectorize feature. Then, as we draw on top of the parent sketch provided, I'll show you when it's best to use each tool, plus extra tips and tricks. Adobe Illustrator for iPad is a great app for illustrators, surface designers, and graphic designers because you can create vector illustrations to use on a variety of applications, such as logos, art prints, and motifs for repeat patterns. I'm excited to teach this class about a program that I find very useful in creating my own artwork. One of my favorite subjects to draw is birds, and since this app lends itself well to my clean style of drawing birds, I thought it would be perfect for our class project. Let's get started.